small people. It's so nice to see you today. My name is Auntie Colleen. Can you wave? Wave hello. Wave hello. Great job. Let's sing a song.
Hello, 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 hello. It's learning time today. Clap your hands and smile with me. Come make we sing and play. Hey! Hello, hello, hello.
This is the letter A. Can you say A? Wow, you're doing great. A is for ackee. Ackee is Jamaica's national fruit, and we use it to make our national dish. Do you know what Jamaica's national dish is? That's right, it's ackee and saltfish. Great job! You're so smart. Let's say it together slowly. Ackee, ackee. Now fast. Ackee.
I carry me ackee, Collins market, not a quatty word sell. I carry me ackee, Collins market, not a quatty word sell. Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night.